So today we make some curry turkey neck, you know. Cook it in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Make it very soft and tender. Then just add the vegetable to it. Onion, pepper, garlic, scallion, thyme. Pretty much the seed, Irish and carrot. I'll just leave it for cook for the next 20 minutes or 25 minutes, you know. So basically see there. You don't know the Irish cook already. I show you when I go on the see the look. Yeah man, gravy thick like a bumbo cloth, thick up. You see me? Like a burger porridge there. You see me? Alright, what's part? You see that, yeah man. Watch it, look. See it broke? Watch it. Easy. Well cooked, soft like sponge. You see me? Yeah man, like that man. Curry turkey neck, one of the wickedest recipe. With Jamaica call it ghetto oxtail. You see me? Look at this. Perfecto. White rice and curry turkey neck. That's all you have for dinner tonight. Yeah? Okay. Buona sitana. Show the gas so I got everything. God, I want a wicked. Curry. Get the turkey neck. Hear me? Get the oxtail, curry style. Look. See me? Well tender, look, see? Tender. Well soft. No joke man, this tough. But the scale man. See how the pepper? Hot. But even going 3 pepper on this, I have 4. See it hot. Look more.